What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Today we got a package from Gamer Plus. Let's open this thing up and see what's in it. Alright guys, so like I said, we got a package from Gamma in. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and I'll show you guys what we got. Alright guys, it is the wireless Prodigy wireless charging shaver. If you guys don't know, it does charge wirelessly, so I'll be able to set it on my mat and charge it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys what it comes with. Alright guys, so you can see wireless Prodigy Gamma Professional Turbocharged Foil Shaver with wireless charging. You know, I had to go with the black and gold to match everything else that we got. So, got a little user manual, you guys already know. Charging cord we're not gonna use. We're gonna use the power mat, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. And we'll just bust the shaver out and get right to it. All right guys, so here you go. You can see matte black with gold letters. The gold's not too bold. I think I can rock with it. I was kind of wanting it all black. I heard the original one was just all black. You guys can see here, there's a little bit of gold on it. But it looks pretty sweet. It's pretty lightweight. That's the only concern I had. I have used this before at a hair show, but it was a prototype, so a little bit lightweight. I was a little bit concerned because the main thing I like about the gold Babyliss shaver is how heavy it is. But we're gonna throw it on the charger, get it charged up, and then we'll do some cutting with it, and I'll let you guys know what I think. All right. It definitely ain't worse. It's kind of mowing.
How does it feel on your head? It feel like normal? Yeah, I thought it was pretty damn good in Atlanta, but I didn't want to jump that fast. You don't remember? Yeah, Saber, that dude's whole half of his head after he got cut up like that.
I want to give you guys a little bit of backstory on that. We went to Atlanta for Bronner Brothers. Cuts by Coast was with me, and we met Austin from Gamma. He let us try the Ergo prototype and the Prodigy Shaver prototype. And we were at the Tomb booth, and this kid came running up, and he said, "Please, can somebody over here fix my haircut?" And when I sat him down, he had cuts. He had a design, a hard part. All of it was cut with a razor. He had the most cuts I've ever seen on somebody's head. And so what he was saying is I had to give him the highest bald fade to try to cut all that design out where he was cut up. Just one of the worst haircuts I've ever seen. And it was crazy because he got it done in a booth at the show. But I saved his haircut. He was tripping on it. But we did get to use the Ergo and the shaver. That was somewhere around January, February this year. So as those were coming out, we did get to test them out. That was my only glimpse of the Ergo and the shaver. I remember the shaver was really lightweight. I wasn't really sure what I was going to think about it, but you guys will see in the rest of this, it's going to do just fine.
Yeah, definitely. It sounds like the Babyliss one. It doesn't sound too much different, and it's lighter. Have you picked it up? Dude, it's so light. I don't remember how light the brawn is, but the gold one's heavy.
Those ever feel like a brick.
All right, so I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts on the Gamma Wireless Prodigy wireless charging shaver. I gotta give a couple extra bonus points to my gold Babyliss shaver. It's probably been a whole year I've had it. I have never changed the head. It still does just fine. But I will say this brand new definitely outperforms it. I think if I did put a new head on the gold one, it would be just as good. But definitely the main thing that makes this so tight is the wireless charging. You guys know the Tomb45 makes Powerclips for certain shavers. I think the gold Babyliss shaver is coming soon. I was really looking forward to the wireless charging. The last cord I had on my station was my shaver cord. So this is gonna enable me to have no more cords at all. It is black, it matches my stuff better. I didn't have any of the gold Babyliss stuff anymore, so definitely nice to have a black shaver. Overall, it cuts hair just fine. It actually mows through a lot of the hair and gets it down to bald really quickly. I think it works definitely just as good as the gold one. It definitely is more lightweight, like I said. I think it's just because of the material it's made out of, or maybe just the thickness of the metal. They're both metal, but the gold one is definitely heavier. I would definitely recommend this over your basic Andis shaver or wall shaver. The gold shaver from Babyliss is still something I'm gonna recommend, but if you want wireless charging, this is definitely the go-to. So I'm definitely gonna stick with this. I already sold my gold shaver. I would recommend you guys to pick one of these up, especially if you have the power mat. The wireless charging is off the hook. So like I said, guys, I have 0 cords left on my station. If you guys don't know how I'm doing that, we got the Tomb45 power mat with the power clips, but because this shaver has a built-in wireless charger, I don't even need a power clip for it. So I just swap it out with my Beam Team compressor like you saw, keep it charged. Usually I'll just throw that on there at night and then I can use it all day on one charge. So definitely recommend you guys check this out. Head over to Gamma's website or their Instagram if you want to check it out. They also have some other new stuff coming out and I'm hoping to get my hand on the Alpha Clipper soon. So stay tuned for that review, guys. But if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you guys want to see me review any other specific new tools, let me know and maybe I can get a hold of them for you guys. Make sure you subscribe if you like content like this. I appreciate all you guys watching and I'll catch you next time.